look at the questions from the reflection chapter, exercise 26.04. I'm going to use Geogebra to answer one of those questions. And the first thing I'm going to do is to draw one of the triangles that are there. I'm going to use the line segment to draw the triangle. So I'm going to draw a triangle that goes from the point -3, 3 across to 3, 3, from -3 down to the origin, and then I'm going to, I'm going to undo that because I want it to go straight across. So I'm now going to put it from there all the way across there. I'm going to I'm going to leave the dots there, but I'm going to undo the labels by right-clicking. And now I'm going to actually mark in the angles, and I'm going to go up here to the angle tool, click on the angle tool, and I'm going to go and measure this angle here, which should be whoops, that was the wrong way. So I'll just undo that and go the other way. And it should be a right angle, which is good. I'm just going to move that angle. I'm going to then measure the next angle up here. And I'm going to just move that a little bit too, and there. And then I'm going to do the final one. There, there, there. And move that. And what we want to have a look at here is when we reflect this shape through a mirror line, what happens to the size of the angles and to the area of the shape. So I'm going to put in x equals 0, which will be this line here. I'm going to now reflect this object, so I'm going to highlight the object. I'm going to reflect it through that line, and you see we get the same, very similar situation. And what I'm really interested in are what are the angles. As we can see, the area of the shape doesn't change. Because this area and this area are going to be the same, half the base times the height. The height's the same, the base is the same. It's a right angle triangle. This angle up in the top corner will be a right angle, but I can check these bottom ones here. So I can go from here, 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 and I can undo that, because that was not undo. So I'm going to check that angle. I'm going to go that's not working there. So I'll go this way. Actually, I'll mark these points back in, the reflected points, the dashes. And now I can use those to measure my angle. So I'll click on that. I'll go from there to there to there. And we can see that this angle is the same as the angle that's opposite to it. And if I did the other one up in the top corner here, so from here to here to here, we can see that this will be the same as the one directly opposite it as well. And so this goes to show that angles stay the same under reflection, and area stays the same under reflection. I hope this helps.